Hello, everyone. Welcome to this discussion of success stories. Today, we have with us Sreekanth. Sreekanth has been a very, very dear personality, a dear, I would say, we more or less had very close relationship because right from the beginning days of AiSPRY or 360 DigiTMG, Sreekanth was with us. He did his bachelor's in biotechnology and master's in biotechnology from Sweden. And he got trained through us. He worked on real world projects and on a lot of amazing projects he was part of. Right? We were, as and when we were encountering some bottlenecks on projects, we used to deploy Sreekanth on that. Right. And Sreekanth was kind enough to take that opportunity and he delivered the goods. Right. Today, he is working as AI developer, and the kind of efforts that he has put in is absolutely showing up. And I have no second thought or second doubt that he is going to grow in his career in leaps and bounds. And thank you so much, Sreekanth, for pulling off time and willing to share your experiences. So the first question is, Sreekanth, how was your learning in space of with respect to 360 digit MG or with respect to AiSPRY? How were your learnings, Sreekanth?
So initially, first, it's thank you, Bernie. Thank you for your kind words and the great opportunity that you have given to me, really, in all these different projects. Yes, because of that, I got this opportunity now. So to start with, when I have come to 360 Digit MG, completely I'm new to data science, and as you said, yes, I am from biotechnology field. So I do not have much experience also. So I don't have any coding experience. So as everybody was afraid, so how I could able to code and all these details. So everything when I have started, it was from basics. So Python I learned from basics. So SQL I have learned from basics. Power BI, so the course was designed in such a way that so I could able to learn from basics, and I have applied practically these basics what I have learned in different projects. So that gave me immense confidence, and enough that's the whole basement that I got from 360 DigiTMG, which is helping now to build different applications and different projects I'm working on.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful, Sreekanth. Thank you so much for that. And I also remember that whenever you deliver the training, right? And we have this policy wherein people who work on projects should also deliver training so that the knowledge is disseminated, spread to all the different students who are undergoing the training. And whenever you deliver training, students were like, "We want Sreekanth only to deliver." I heard this multiple times. Yeah. So thank you so much for contributing. And one question to you, Sreekanth, would be what suggestion do you want to give to the people who are currently undergoing training or for the people who just completed the training on how should they prepare and get into this field of data science and AI?
So one thing, it's like practical knowledge, Bernie. So that what we get from the projects that we do in 360 DigiTMG, and exactly which we don't get anywhere in the market. So that I can say very confidently. And we should be updated every time, because the new technologies that we see today, like DeepSeek that we have got now, so everything is updating every day. So we should be updated, we should be practicing, we should be learning and implementing them in the projects. So that would be my suggestion.
Wonderful. There we go, friends. Sreekanth is very clearly saying that until and unless you work on the real world projects and until unless you keep yourself abreast of the latest happenings, success won't fall in place, right? And even for Sreekanth, right, it wasn't a walk in the park. He put in his heart and soul into his learnings. He spent a lot of time, hours and hours learning, and hence he's now successful. Thank you so much, Sreekanth, for your time. All the very best. And given your hard work, I'm certain you'll grow in leaps and bounds. No second thought about that. Do stay in touch, Sreekanth, and all the very best for your future. Thank
Sure,
you.
buddy. Thank you. Thanks for the
Thank
opportunity.
you. Bye.